Hi, I am Chandrasekhar Gupta and we are discussing programming concepts. Today, let's try to talk about sorting. We are not going to discuss each and every detail about sorting. We will try to look at some of the important sorting algorithms and a brief overview about all of this. Before diving further, I want you to introduce two terms. First is in-place sorting algorithms, and then we are having stable sorting algorithms. In-place sorting algorithms are the algorithms which do not use any extra space while you are trying to perform the algorithm. But out-of-place algorithms actually tend to use some extra memory other than the input that you have provided. Then, what are stable sorting algorithms? In the case of stable sorting algorithms, the input will actually be returned in the same way, even if that is the way to do so. That means, if you are trying to sort an array in an ascending order, and in the input you are having two elements of the same size or of the same number, 3 and 3. If you try to sort this array, then if they are returned in the same order, they are called as a stable sorting algorithm. Or if the order is changed or if they are misplaced, then it is called unstable sorting algorithm. Let's try to understand selection sort. Suppose if we have this array, selection sort actually looks for minimum element of all the existing elements. Of this entire array, it will actually find the minimum element, and here the minimum element is 1. So 1 will be replaced at the initial index and both of the elements will be swapped. Similarly, it repeats the process and searches for the next minimum element, which is 2 in this case. The process repeats and 2 will be replaced at the first index. In the same process, the entire array will be sorted. So the final call on the array will be this. The procedure that is followed was, initially we will be having a pointer, let's call it I, and we will be having one more pointer which will be pointing to the next position of it, and it scans for the value at both of these indexes. If the value at j is greater than the value of I, then nothing happens, or else it moves further. If it is less than, both of these positions will be swapped. In this way, j will be moving till the end of the array, and in the next iteration, as the minimum element has been moved to the first or 0th index in this case, the I will be moved to this location and j will start from the respective position. The process repeats and it completely sorts the array. If we just observe, as we have discussed, this falls under the category of in-place sorting. It does not require any extra space, and the complexity is order of n square, as for each and every element, the other element are being crossed completely once. It is also the stable sorting algorithm.